In this video, I'll explore what happens to your body when you do CrossFit every day, covering both the advantages and disadvantages of this intense training system. We'll also dive into how CrossFit impacts weight loss and overall fitness. Be sure to watch till the end, as there's a lot to uncover about this challenging and rewarding workout. Let's get started. What is CrossFit exercise? CrossFit is a high-intensity workout system designed to develop strength, endurance, and overall physical fitness through varied exercises. It emphasizes the development of a wide range of physical qualities, including muscle strength, cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, agility, and coordination. CrossFit workouts often incorporate Olympic lifting, bodyweight movements, and high-intensity aerobic training, all designed to push your limits and help you achieve a well-rounded level of fitness. Benefits of CrossFit. 1. Improved willpower. CrossFit is known for its intense training sessions. To complete these challenging workouts, athletes often push through discomfort, which helps to develop mental toughness and discipline. 2. Versatility. Unlike many other strength-based disciplines, CrossFit isn't as dependent on genetics. The wide variety of exercises ensures that people of all body types can participate, making it accessible for beginners and advanced athletes alike. 3. Flexibility in training locations. Whether you prefer to work out at home, at the gym, or outside in a park, CrossFit can be adapted to different environments, giving you flexibility in your fitness routine. 4. All-around physical development. CrossFit improves cardiovascular health, muscle endurance, coordination, and flexibility. The broad range of exercises prevents plateaus and helps you develop a balanced and functional physique. 5. Weight loss and toning. CrossFit workouts are notorious for burning a significant number of calories due to their high intensity. This leads to a reduction in body fat, especially when paired with proper nutrition. If weight loss is your goal, CrossFit can be incredibly effective, particularly when combined with a balanced diet. 6. Healthy lifestyle. By engaging in CrossFit, individuals are encouraged to adopt healthier habits, ditching bad behaviors and making fitness a regular part of their lives. The supportive community aspect of CrossFit also motivates participants to stay committed and push themselves. 7. Social and motivational benefits. CrossFit is often done in a group setting, creating a sense of community. This social aspect can improve motivation and make it easier to stick to a regular workout routine. CrossFit for weight loss. CrossFit's intensity is what makes it particularly effective for weight loss. Since many CrossFit workouts incorporate minimal rest periods and a combination of aerobic and strength training exercises, they can burn a significant number of calories. This rapid calorie burn, along with the emphasis on muscle development, helps reduce body fat and improve muscle tone. CrossFit workouts, when combined with a healthy, balanced diet, create an ideal environment for fat loss and weight management. Is CrossFit good for beginners? Yes, CrossFit can be an excellent workout for beginners, but it's important to start slowly and focus on building a solid foundation. For newcomers, it's crucial to learn proper form and gradually increase the intensity of the workouts. Attempting to jump into advanced exercises right away can lead to injury. It's highly recommended to begin with fundamental movements and work with a qualified trainer who can guide you through the process. Remember, CrossFit is scalable. There are modifications for almost every exercise, so it's suitable for all fitness levels. Common CrossFit exercises. 1. Warm-up. Warm-up is an essential part of CrossFit to prevent injury and prepare your body for the intensity ahead. A typical warm-up might include jogging, stretching, joint rotations, and lightweight lifting to get your muscles and joints ready for the workout. 2. Aerobic exercises. These exercises focus on improving cardiovascular fitness and include activities like jump rope, rowing, and sprinting. They are typically fast-paced and designed to improve endurance. 3. Bodyweight exercises. These exercises develop coordination, agility, and dynamic strength. Some common bodyweight exercises include push-ups, pull-ups, burpees, box jumps, and dips. 4. Weightlifting. CrossFit also involves lifting heavy weights, such as barbells, dumbbells, and kettlebells. These exercises build strength and power, with a focus on dynamic movements like snatches, clean and jerks, and deadlifts. 5. Strength and endurance training. CrossFit workouts often combine strength exercises with endurance training to build both muscle mass and cardiovascular fitness. This combination leads to better muscle toning, improved stamina, and enhanced overall fitness. Is CrossFit suitable for everyone? CrossFit is an incredibly versatile program and can be tailored to suit a wide range of fitness levels, but it's not for everyone. Those with specific health conditions, particularly heart or joint issues, should consult with a healthcare provider before starting CrossFit. For most people, though, CrossFit can be a great way to achieve a fit, strong, and healthy body. CrossFit isn't just about physical transformation, it's about developing a mindset of determination, discipline, and consistency. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or improve endurance, CrossFit offers a comprehensive full-body workout that can help you reach your fitness goals. Be sure to check out other videos on this channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Thanks for watching.